TSB 22-2219 is a technical service bulletin issued for certain Ford and Lincoln vehicles that are equipped with 4BubDud systems. It addresses the issue of a grinding, clicking, or ratcheting noise coming from the front wheel area of the vehicles listed. The bulletin outlines the causes of the noise, the specific vehicles affected, and the service procedure for rectifying the issue. Causes. The noise is believed to be caused by partial engagement of the integrated wheel ends, IWEs, which can happen when the IWE system does not hold vacuum or when the vacuum is lost and the IWEs partially engage. Vehicles affected: Ford Expedition 2 through 2020, Ford F-150 Non-Raptor 26-2020, Lincoln Navigator 2003 to 2020. Solution. The solution involves a series of diagnostic and repair procedures, including reprogramming the Transfer Case Control Module, TCCM, and if necessary, replacing any worn vacuum and/or IWE components. The service procedure is broken down into several steps, which include 1. Determining the type of mode select switch MSS the vehicle has to ensure the correct procedure is followed. 2. Reprogramming the TCCM with the latest Ford Scan Tool software update if applicable. 3. Performing a vacuum system check procedure. 4. If necessary, referencing the workshop manual for further diagnostics. 5. Removing the vacuum supply line and installing vacuum caps at the IWE check valve and the vacuum source. Warranty status. The bulletin states that the repair may be covered under the new vehicle limited warranty, service part warranty, or extended service plan, depending on the individual vehicle's warranty status. The bulletin also includes reference figures and detailed instructions to guide technicians through the service process, emphasizing that the new TCCM calibration changes IWE operation to ensure proper engagement only when necessary.